Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to explore how to solve a system of two simultaneous equations using the method of elimination. Our two equations we start off with are 6x plus y equals negative 7, and our second equation 5x plus 3y equals 5. So we're solving for two variables, x and y, and in any simultaneous equation problem we can typically only solve for one variable at a time. So the method of elimination means that we need to manipulate one of the equations to eliminate a variable so that we can only work with one variable and find the answer to that one, find the solution to that one, and then later on find the solution to the other variable. So let's go ahead and do that. We have in equation 1 6x plus y. So the coefficient, the variable that we want to eliminate first is y. There's no particular reason. You can choose to eliminate x first, but in this case I think it's easier to eliminate the y variable. We have a coefficient of 1 in equation 1, and in equation 2 we have a coefficient of 3 in front of the y. We need to make the coefficients in both equations in front of the y the same in order to be able to eliminate y as a variable. So I'm going to have to multiply equation 1 by a factor of 3. So leading on from here, so 3 times equation 1 would imply 3 times brackets 6x plus y equals negative 7. So multiplying the 3 through, we'll end up with 18x plus 3y equals negative 21. Okay, and I'm going to call this equation 3. Okay, now that we have equal coefficients of 3y in equation 3 and equation 2, so what I can do now is to actually subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So in other words, we're going to, I'll take the problem up here, we're going to subtract equation 2 from equation 3, so basically equation 3 minus equation 2, and that's going to, if we write this out, 18x plus 3y equals negative 21. Actually, what we're basically doing is we're adding a negative of equation 2 to equation 3. So a negative of equation 2 would imply that we multiply the negative right through the equation. So we're going to end up with negative 5x multiply negative 1 by 3, y will give us negative 3y, and multiplying negative 1 by 5 will give us negative 5. Okay, so now adding all the different parts together, we'll have 21 plus negative 5 will give us negative 21 plus negative 5 will give us negative 26. a positive 3y plus a negative 3y will give us 0, and a positive 18x plus a negative 5x will give us 13x. So that would imply that 13x. So now that we've eliminated the y variable and we're only left with the variable x to deal with, so that would imply 13x is equal to negative 26. And if we now divide both sides of this equation by 13, so 13 divided by 13 is 1, negative 26 divided by 13 will give us negative 2. So our solution for x is equal to negative 2. And now that we've found the solution to x, we can find the solution to y by subbing it back into either of our original equations. Let's sub x equals to negative 2 into equation 1. So back in equation 1 we have 6x plus y equals negative 7, and x is equal to negative 2, so 6 times negative 2 plus y equals negative 7. Negative 12, 6 times negative 2 is negative 12 plus y equals negative 7. And if we add the number 12 to both sides of this equation, 12 plus negative 12 is 0, so we end up with y equals negative 7 plus 12, and that will leave us with an answer of 5. Oops, 5. So our solution to y is y is equal to 5. And we can verify that by substituting the solutions for both variables now into another equation to see if it will come out with the correct answer. Let's choose equation 2, so we will substitute so equation 2 is 5x plus 3y is equal to 5, and our solution for x is negative 2, so our solution for x will go into here. Our solution for y will go into here. So 5 times negative 2 plus 3 times 5 is equal to minus 10 plus 15, which is equal to 5. So our solution for both variables is correct, and this is how you would solve a system of two simultaneous equations using the method of elimination. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I will endeavour to answer your maths problem. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye now.